In this lesson, we are going to learn how to view the variable values during the debug session. I have a sample program here called debug_person, and in this sample program I have defined multiple variables. So starting from line number 6, you can see there is a number, sample_number, then there is a sample string, then we have sample array, then we have a person list where I'm using an utility class and fetching a list of person objects. So this particular list, person_list, it contains custom person object. Then we have a dictionary, set, etc. I just want to show how the variables values could be viewed during the debug session and how the data type looks in the variables section. Let me place a breakpoint at line number 12 and run this particular program in debug mode. So right click, debug. As expected, this is the debug console that we have, and this is the variable section, and here all the variables that we have created are listed. Now as you can see over here, there is the person list, and the person list is a list of custom person objects. Now if you see the icon here, if I click on this and expand this, here we can view the items inside the person list. If I expand further, what I can see, the attributes or fields inside the custom object. So you can see the difference between the different icons, right? The list looks like this, and if I hover on top of it, it is showing a tooltip array, and this is one element custom object, it's showing value, and then the fields, right? It's telling value of a primitive type. So the primitive type or the data types, they have different icons, although it may not be very much important, but good to know. Let me close this. Sample array, it is showing all the values, then sample dictionary, and these are the primitive types, the number, and we have a string as well. We can expand this set just to see the different items inside the set, and also the dictionary, the key value pair. So this is one way to have a look at the variables value within the scope of the program during the debug session. Another way to view the variables value is here. As you can see, the inline value, the sample number, what is the value? It is showing 100. Similarly, for array, we can see what is the value for the custom list object, right? Here we can see this is the person list and it is showing different person, although it is not as user friendly as we have in the variable section. But anyways, this is also one way to check the variables value. There is another way to view the variables value is using the tooltip. What we need to do is hover on top of the variables whose value we want to view. You can see the sample number, its value is displayed here. Let me hover on top of the person list, and if I click here, it's similar to what we had in the variables section. So in this way, we can view the variables value during the debugging. The first way is using the variables section. The second would be the inline view. Third would be the tooltip.